In this video, I'll show you how to fix the 403 forbidden error in Google Chrome. First, open Google Chrome on your computer. Click the three dots in the top right corner and select Settings. From the left-hand menu, click Reset Settings. Now, click Restore Settings to their original defaults. A confirmation window will appear on your screen. Click Reset Settings to continue. Once the reset is complete, try opening the website again and see if you're still seeing the 403 forbidden error. There's one more method you can try. Open the Start menu and click Settings. Next, select Network and Internet. Scroll down and click Advanced Network Settings. Now, select Network Reset. Click Reset Now. Your computer will automatically reset all network adapters and network settings. After the reset is complete, open Google Chrome and try visiting the website again. In many cases, resetting Chrome settings and network settings can resolve the 403 forbidden error in Google Chrome. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like the video, subscribe to our channel, and press the bell icon for more tutorials. Thanks for watching.